Welcome to this short guided meditation session. Begin by sitting on your bed or the floor next to your bed in a position that feels more comfortable for you. Elongate your spine, relax the shoulders, relax the muscles of your face. And now, pick your favorite mudra for this meditation. When you feel ready to move on, I want you to close your eyes and deepen your breath. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And repeat. Inhale and slowly exhale. Relax your body, relax your head, your chest, your arms, and your legs. Prepare your body for a good night's sleep by slowly moving into a calmer state. Now start turning your attention inwards, away from your breath, and towards your feelings and any emotions you might experience. Without judgment, without expectations, allow your soul and your body to be. Accept and welcome everything that arises. Don't try to ignore or suppress anything. Open up and let the tension, stress, and overthinking from the day go. Stay in the moment, still and connected with your breath, watching how these emotions transmute into pure energy as you let them go. Stay still, breathe in and breathe out. As we end this meditation, I want you to repeat the following affirmations. I accept the things that I cannot change. In doing so, I am able to move forward. I allow my body and my mind to rest, to be at peace. I am grateful for today's experiences, since they are opportunities for growth and expansion. Breathe in and breathe out. You are now slowly becoming aware of your surroundings again. You can start to open your eyes. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Inhale deep through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Go back to your normal breathing. We finish our practice saying Namaste.